Hello, Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabeena, with my Module 1 initiative update for the World Pulse Changemaker Lab program 2022. Lesson 1. Anna's presentation video was informative, but I had to watch it several times to understand it. The handouts were useful. The problem diagram best fits my initiative. Lesson 2. The guided vision journaling session was an interactive session with Jensina Larsen, and I learnt that I am more than just a social entrepreneur. I have other hobbies and pursuits, such as photography. And this session also highlighted that I just want to be a happy soul and content with what I have. I will use the above as a motivational tool to move forward with my manuscripts and video content. Lesson 3. I'm still a little confused about this video and will need to rewatch it. I have, however, completed a detailed analysis of all my fair trade female producers. Lesson 4. This video took me many days to watch. I think I figured out what my output, outcomes and impact I will be making for this initiative. I did complete my SMART goals. I do still need to identify how I will evaluate my writing and understand how to design my initiative plan. I will contact Kirti for a chat when she has time. I'm sure she's a very busy lady. Lesson 5. I completed my SWOT analysis and needs. I spent a very long time completing my aspirational, social, familial, navigational, professional, community, communication, educational, personal, material, and digital assets. I hope I can use the above assets in my writing and blogging. Lesson 6. This video explained the Gender at Work framework. I have tried to complete it to the best of my ability, but need assistance to understand the change strategy. I will try to email Adriana about the strategy that best fits my writing and video content. Lesson 7. This was the most calming video I watched. I loved to listen to Miss Benjamin's voice, which was sweet and soothing while she was talking about the logic model. I have completed my resource, strategy, audience, outputs, outcomes, and impact lists. I thoroughly enjoyed watching this video as it all made sense. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another initiative update video for you soon. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.